Hey, crypto family, hope y'all are doing good today. So today we're going to talk about PARSIQ again. It's a protocol that I talked about a couple weeks ago, and a lot of people have been asking me about it since that last video. So we're going to talk about some updates that they have for Q2 and where I think they're going for the future. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So PARSIQ, for those who don't know, it's a next-gen blockchain monitoring technology. So they're a reverse Oracle platform, which actually a lot of people, you've seen Oracle platforms do really well. PARSIQ is actually a reverse Oracle, which basically means it provides real-time data, versus Graph, which provides data from the past. PARSIQ can actually give you real-time data and blockchain monitoring, which is very, very good. And you can see actually a lot of different protocols that they've partnered with have implemented this. And I'm actually go over that in a couple minutes. But basically, PARSIQ has been growing a lot over the past couple of months, and you can see they already have 12,700 followers, and they are growing rapidly. So looking at the coin here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that my last video I made 2 weeks ago, PARSIQ was at $1.50. Now it's at $2.03. So you can see it's been on a steady upward trend, and I do not see that stopping anytime soon. So they recently came out with an article on their blog, and it says wrapping up Q1 of 2021 and what to expect in Q2. So let's go ahead and cover this, and I'm actually going to cover a lot of different partnerships they've had and also some new updates that are very bullish for the future. So first, talking about their IQ protocol. So the IQ protocol is what I mentioned in my video whenever I made it 2 weeks ago, and it was releasing March 31st. And since its inception, it's actually gained a lot of traction. So you can see here that basically they talk about their insane growth from Q3 2020 to now, and it talks about with the IQ protocol release, they'll also see upgraded tokenomics launched and their payment system model changed, with the introduction of holding PRQ to bring eligibility for usage of PARSIQ services. Now, this is a huge one, a lot of people overlook. So by holding PRQ, it'll bring eligibility for usage of their services. So it's kind of like a staking service, right? So a lot of companies have to hold this coin and to be eligible for the service to use with it. So that's another way of, again, more people hold it, there's less supply, more demand, increase in price. And also it says the IQ protocol has grown in size and scope, with now they plan to include dedicated personnel at PARSIQ to support and deploy the solution for other projects if they want to utilize our unique on-chain tokenized subscription SaaS model. So that's awesome because you have these dedicated people that can help people who want to actually have PARSIQ and utilize that on-chain tokenized subscription. So really having those specific people to help definitely makes it more seamless and definitely makes it a lot more effective when different companies want to use it. And then it says with their March 31st deployment of their IQ protocol, they'll also have a full mainnet launch in Q2. So that's something we're looking forward to. And then they're going to bring a unique case to the PRQ token, which will allow their token holders to earn passive income for participating in the PARSIQ network and its future. So again, more utility for holding the token, more advantages. So hence, more and more people are going to continue to hold it, hence an increase in price. Now, this in-case right here, in-case was actually announced in December of 2020. So for those who don't know what in-case is, we're going to go over this article real quick. It was released December 30th, 2020, and it's actually an infinitely scalable and cost-effective wallet system. So this wallet system is actually very, very cool. And what it does here, it says, PARSIQ in-case is a wallet deployment system built for any company wanting to receive cryptocurrency from users of their platform. PARSIQ developed a way to deploy a unique wallet system with minimal costs. This is completely revolutionary as this is one of the major fee-inducing mechanisms plaguing current infrastructure. So they found a way to have minimal cost and still deploy this wallet system that is very secure and is very easy for companies to use. And now it is finally coming to a forefront and finally coming to fruition. So this is making a big splash in the market as well. So it says testing is on track and we're taking in feedback to polish the product and expect to have full commercial release ready in Q2. So again, Q2, some more big stuff going on. And then also PRQ rebalancing, So rebalancing, this is a big one because a lot of different companies, they actually say they release their tokens and some don't sell. Well, they take all that back for the developers. Well, PARSIQ, they're actually burning these tokens. So it says in the beginning of 2021, we announced a complete rebalancing of the PRQ token distribution to match the initial 250 million PRQ from the ICO that didn't sell out, and that over 150 million of those tokens were placed in what we call a retention wallet with intent to burn. Now look here, 189 million PRQ tokens now sent in our retention wallet awaiting to be burned. Once we gain legal certainty that we will not alter the status of the token in any legal way, we will commence a token burn. So this is going to be insane because when they're burning all of these tokens, again, supply goes down, demand goes up, price continues to go up. Again, more tokenomics, more advantages to the consumer. And then next, China marketing. So we know how big China is, right? Well, here it says opportunity presented itself to start our marketing in China, and we seized it. We've participated in several conferences, AMAs, and a slew of new articles that have seen the light of day with very positive feedback coming our way from marketing campaign Cointelegraph China. So again, China's really big. If PARSIQ is getting into that ecosystem, that's just going to help with demand and again, lessen supply. Now, next, the partnership. So for those who don't know, PARSIQ has partnered with a ton of people. I mentioned it in my last video. They've partnered with Aave, Solana, Huobi, Injective Protocol, Paid Network, Balancer, Superfarm, iMead Messenger, Dex Network, and Acid Bets. And then I opened up each article so you can see here that, again, all of these are released on their blog. You can see they partner with all of these people. There's long articles about each of them. If you want to delve deeper into that, I'll have links to those in the description of the video. But you can see a lot of people they've been partnering with, and it just continues forward. And now they're also expanding their team. So they've actually had 3 new developers that have onboarded the team and a head of new business development, Tom Mata. And then they plan to continue the team growth, which actually they're planning on onboarding another marketing PR person. So you can see here that they seek a public relations manager. So a big thing with any company is a PR manager. So they're working on hiring that to get PARSIQ out to the public, because still, while they have been doing great, the marketing still could be so much better. So they're trying to expand on that. And with, more people get involved with the token, the higher the price goes. So that's a big thing that's been going on. And also you can see even just the growth in the past 3 months alone, their Twitter has nearly doubled. Token holders have grown by 50%. Actually, they've grown by 80%. Portal users have increased by 50%, and the token price has tripled in just 3 months alone. That is insane. And it's grown actually over 25% from 2 weeks ago when I made the video. So now what to expect in Q2. This is really big. Some big announcements here. It says they're focusing on bringing the IQ protocol to full commercial release and launching our first clients for the protocol. They're going to see new tokenomics in full effect, funneling all our subscription-based revenue through the IQ protocol and creating a whole new demand for PRQ. Marketplace for public projects will be launching. They have the improvement of the PARSIQ QL language. And then our biggest clients to date will onboard and start using PARSIQ technology as a cornerstone of their business. So again, more people using PARSIQ, more people buying the coin, getting advantages for that. It's just going to increase the price even more. And then here is a big thing. So they're going to see even more partnerships integrating with layer 1s, DeFi, and projects, more than they saw in Q1. And you saw how many that I've mentioned here. I mean, big names, Solana, Aave, Paid Network, huge names. And then last, one more thing, I can't even tell you a little bit about it, except that it reaches beyond crypto, but we are certain that every single community member will be very pleased once we can finally reveal the scope of this. So, they're not lying, because you've seen all these people they've partnered with, they're putting in work, they're continuing to develop, they're continuing to release more use cases for the PARSIQ token just for holding it. So again, more incentive to hold the token for businesses to use it. So they're providing personal services for people if they want to use the SaaS language. Again, all these advantages for the coin. I definitely see PARSIQ continuing to rise going into Q2. The end of Q2, I see very, very, very high advantages for holding PARSIQ right now, and just continue to see the growth going forward. So with that, again, I'm very bullish on it, and you can look at all these articles and see why they're so undervalued right now. They're still ranked 235, so a lot of opportunity here. But with that, if y'all had any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll happily answer any of them. If you want to follow me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me with the link above. Also on my Discord, if you want to contact me there. PARSIQ, you can follow them at PARSIQ_net. Again, they're very active on that, so get the latest updates. And then again, if you like the video, please give it a like. I'd really appreciate it. So with that, until next time, thanks for watching.